What if a 480 square foot New York City studio apartment could feel cozy, stylish, and completely functional? This brilliant small space proves that smart home decor can change everything. Hi everyone, welcome back to Manna Home Design, where we explore real New York apartments, small space living, and home decor ideas that actually work in everyday life. Today, we're stepping inside a brilliant 480 square foot New York City studio apartment home decor, located in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. This video focuses on full home decor in a real New York City studio apartment, from smart storage solutions and a rare in-unit washer and dryer, to a cozy living area, layered lighting, and a thoughtfully divided bedroom space. It's a real look at how intentional home decor and small space design can turn just 480 square feet into a warm, functional home. Before we jump in, if you love home decor, small space living, and real New York City apartments, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future home decor tours. Entryway storage hacks. Welcome to this 480 square foot New York City studio apartment in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, where small space living starts right at the entryway. Like many New York studio apartments, there's no traditional wall space, so smart space-saving storage becomes essential in this compact studio layout. This small studio apartment uses a door-mounted shoe and bag rack to maximize vertical storage, a common New York City apartment hack. It may look busy, but in real New York apartment living, function always comes before perfection. From coats to boots, this entry proves that in a 480 square foot Williamsburg studio, creative storage solutions are key. It sets the tone for a cozy, functional, renter-friendly home tour built for real small space life. The rare New York City laundry setup. One of the rarest features in this 480 square foot New York City studio apartment is something most New York apartments don't have: an in-unit washer and dryer, tucked right into the entryway of this Williamsburg, Brooklyn studio. In a small studio apartment, every square foot matters. This space-saving laundry setup transforms daily life and elevates the functionality of this New York apartment layout without sacrificing comfort or flow. For anyone exploring small space living in New York City, this is proof that smart design can deliver luxury in a 480 square foot studio apartment, making real city living easier and more efficient. kitchen and expanding dining table. This 480-square-foot New York City studio apartment in Williamsburg, Brooklyn features a surprisingly efficient kitchen, designed specifically for small space living and everyday New York apartment life. Under cabinet lighting, modern appliances, and a round expandable dining table make this small studio apartment perfect for both daily meals and hosting, something not always easy in a New York studio layout. In this Williamsburg, Brooklyn apartment, flexible furniture transforms a compact kitchen into a functional dining space, proving that smart interior design can redefine life in a 480-square-foot studio. Living room, green couch and gallery wall. The living room of this 480-square-foot New York City studio apartment balances personality and function, a must for small studio apartments in New York City. A green sofa anchors the space, surrounded by a gallery wall filled with meaningful art, travel collages, family calligraphy, and vintage finds, turning this Williamsburg, Brooklyn apartment into a deeply personal home. This small space living setup proves that even a New York studio apartment can feel layered, cozy, and expressive through intentional apartment decor and interior styling. The Noguchi lamp and lighting. Lighting plays a major role in this 480 square feet New York City studio apartment, especially in a small New York apartment with limited overhead fixtures. The sculptural Noguchi lamp adds soft, diffused light, elevating the mood of this Williamsburg, Brooklyn studio while keeping the space warm and inviting. In small studio apartment design, layered lighting creates comfort and depth, proving that thoughtful choices can transform even a compact New York City living space. Office nook and standing desk. Working from home in a 480 square feet New York City studio apartment requires a dedicated setup, especially in a small Williamsburg, Brooklyn apartment. This standing desk office nook sits by the window, maximizing natural light and productivity, an essential strategy for small space living in New York City. With ergonomic furniture and focused lighting, this studio apartment office proves you can successfully work from home in a compact New York City studio layout. The bookshelf room divider. One of the smartest features in this 480 square foot New York City studio apartment is the open bookshelf used as a room divider. Instead of closing off space, this divider allows light to flow while separating zones, ideal for small studio apartments and New York apartment layouts. This solution defines areas without sacrificing openness, a hallmark of successful small space interior design in New York City studios. Bedroom and closet storage. The sleeping area in this 480 square foot Williamsburg, Brooklyn studio apartment is designed to feel calm and tucked away. Wall-mounted clothing shelves replace cluttered chairs, offering a practical storage solution for small New York apartments. Combined with a generous closet, this setup proves that studio apartment living can still feel organized, cozy, and intentional. Bathroom and Japanese design inspo. This 480 square foot New York City studio apartment bathroom is compact but thoughtfully styled for comfort. Japanese design inspiration, like nature pattern textiles and Mount Fuji artwork, adds calm to this small New York apartment bathroom. It's a reminder that even in small studio apartments, design details can create a peaceful, spa-like retreat. If this brilliant 480 square foot New York City studio apartment inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone decorating a small space. Leave a comment and tell us which detail you loved most, and we'll see you in the next home decor story.